Hello everyone, welcome to ALO Tutorials, where today we would come up with an alarm system using the basic functions of Arduino. To start with, we're going to be using some electrical components to build this alarm system, and make sure to have an Arduino Uno R3 for the inputs. These are the electrical components we're going to be using. You can pause it in case you're not familiar with some parts, and we're going to be using a breadboard. So make sure you've got all of this. Here's the diagram. You can see it under the description below. Let's begin with this section of the schematic. So there's the 5K trim pot, the LDR, or the light dependent resistor. There's the 2N3904 transistor. Connect its base to the trim pot. Let's add the LED. Connect the remaining leg of the trim pot to the positive input when the positive leg of our LED is connected. Add a jumper from LDR to the ground. Align the positive side of our buzzer to the LED with its corresponding negative side. And don't forget to connect the emitter of the transistor to the ground. Finally, add jumper wires for the positive input and ground input and connect it to our Arduino. Here's our Arduino. There's a lot of pins, but we're only going to be using 2 inputs. Please put the red male jumper to the pin 13 of the Arduino instead of pin 7, then the ground to the GND. Connect the cable of the Arduino and let's go to the PC. Here I'm using Windows 10, and as you can see, there's no plugged-in devices. We can check Device Manager and you can find it in Settings, Devices. Scroll down and click the Device Manager. You can access the Device Manager directly by searching it from the start. There it is. Take focus on the ports. As you can see, there's only one connected port, the COM1. So when we plug in the Arduino, there would be another port recognized. And that is the COM3. Now let's open the Arduino software. But for those who don't have the software, you can download it from arduino.cc, and it is free. So here you can see the web page and you can explore many things about Arduino, but we will just click the download tab to install the software. Be redirected to this page where you can choose which may apply according to your operating system. But for this tutorial, we're going to be installing the software for Windows. The software is free, but you can support the software for higher development if you'd like. Choose your contribution, but for this tutorial, we'll just download it. Already downloaded and installed it on my Windows, so I have just to cancel it. So after you've installed it, you need to open the application. Here, the Arduino. may take some time for accessing libraries, initializing packages until it starts. Then, there you go. This is the application. After it opens, choose your board. Mine is the Arduino Genuino Uno. Then, select the port. Remember the COM3 on Device Manager? You have to choose it. Now go to Files and navigate to Examples. Go to Basics, then Blink. The code for blinking the LED using the C# language. See the 13 there? That would be the input for the positive side to trigger the alarm. To test it, just click Upload, then yep, there you go. The LED is blinking with its buzzer. But in the circuit we made on breadboard, we need to add another LED or laser if you have, for the LDR to receive the light and for the purpose of sounding an alarm if the light is blocked by objects. Connect the positive of this LED to pin 12 and the ground aligned with the GND. Now, let's go back to our software and add some codes. Copy the digital right. Oops. Take away the delays and this line. Then, change the pin 13 to 12. Make this pin always turned on. Change delays for 50 milliseconds. Copy pin mode, then change 13 to 12 for output variable. Now the code is set. You need to verify it first. If you had some problems, you can see it in verify button. You just have to click the upload. Let's see if that works. Yep, it worked. So that's it. It's working. Any questions, you are free to comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channels for more tutorials. Bye.